Hello everyone, welcome to your GK class of class 3rd. This is our 4th video of class 3rd GK. In my previous video, I have given you a test paper to do in your homework. That was of 20 marks and 2 questions were there. So I have written all the answers of these 2 questions here. You can see first question was of read the clues and circle the correct answer. So all the answers I have circled here. Correct answer I have circled here, as you can see. So you have to match your answers, okay? And question number 2 was identify the books. So answers I have written here, as you can see. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to match your answers, and if you have written any wrong answer, you have to learn it again. Okay, so now let's move to our today's lesson, that is all about matter. Okay, so what is matter? Matter is all around us. Okay, जो भी हमारे चारों तरफ है that is matter. Okay, matter हमारे चारों तरफ है. Solid, liquid and gas, everything you see, touch and even breathe is made up of matter. कोई भी चीज़ solid, liquid और gas, everything you see, जो भी आप देखते हैं या टच करते हैं या इवन ब्रीथ करते हैं, वो सब किससे मिलके बना है? मैटर से बना है. ओके, देयर आर 3 बेसिक स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर: सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस. ओके, now solids, what are the properties of solid? Solids have a fixed shape. As you can see, this key is a solid and it has a fixed shape. Okay, solids can be cut easily, means you can cut a solid. Solids do not flow. Solids cannot flow, means वो flow नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ सॉलिड्स ईजिली कट भी नहीं हो सकते हैं, जैसे की है ये ईजिली कट नहीं हो सकती है, लेकिन फिर भी आप इसको कट कर सकते हो. हेयर आर अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स: बुक, यू कैन सी हेयर, चेयर, बैट. ओके, सो ऑल दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स. सो ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आर सॉलिड्स. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज लिक्विड्स. लिक्विड्स आर व्हाट? लिक्विड्स डू नॉट हैव फिक्स शेप. लिक्विड्स की कोई भी फिक्स शेप नहीं होती है. दे टेक द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर इन विच दे आर केप्ट. वो उस कंटेनर का शेप ले लेते हैं आप जिसमें उसको रखते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो एक जग है, यहाँ पर उसके अंदर जूस है. अगर आप इसी जूस को किसी और कंटेनर में डाल दोगे देन इट विल टेक द शेप ऑफ दैट कंटेनर. तो ये उस कंटेनर का शेप ले लेगा. इसका खुद का कोई शेप नहीं होता है. ओके, लिक्विड्स कैन नॉट बी कट. आप इसको कट भी नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके, सो लिक्विड्स कैन नॉट बी कट. लिक्विड्स फ्लो ईजली, लेकिन ये फ्लो कर सकती हैं, मीन्स एक फ्लो होकर एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर जा सकती हैं. अदर एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन सी हेयर ऑफ लिक्विड्स: जूस इज देयर, मिल्क, वाटर. ओके, सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लिक्विड्स. नाउ गैसेस. गैसेस डू नॉट हैव अ फिक्स शेप. गैसेस की भी लिक्विड्स की तरह कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं होती है. दे एक्सपेंड टू फिल ऑल द स्पेस इन द कंटेनर. जिसमें भी आप उसको रखते हो, गैस को फिल करते हो जिसमें भी, वो उसी कंटेनर का पूरी की पूरी स्पेस को फिल कर लेती है. सपोज ये एक बैलून है, ठीक है, आप जब इसमें एयर फिल करोगे तो एयर मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या करेंगे? इसके पूरी स्पेस को ऑक्यूपाई कर लेंगे. ओके, सो और पूरे में फैल जाएंगे. सो गैस क्या करती है? एक्सपेंड टू फिल ऑल द स्पेस इन द कंटेनर. एक्सपेंड करती है और पूरी की पूरी स्पेस जो भी कंटेनर में होती है, जितनी भी, उस सबको ऑक्यूपाई कर लेती है. गैसेस कैन नॉट बी कट. यू कैन नॉट कट गैसेस. गैसेस आर लाइट एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट. गैसेस बहुत लाइट होती हैं और ट्रांसपेरेंट होती हैं. यू कैन सी थ्रू दैम. और आप उनके अंदर से, उनके बीच, उनके थ्रू देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि एयर इज़ ऑल अराउंड अस. एयर हमारे चारों साइड है. सो एयर इज़ अ गैस, और लेकिन हम उसके आर पर देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ solids, liquids and gas, and these are the states of matter. Okay, now based on this concept, here is an exercise that is given on next page, page number 15. As you can see here, first exercise is, look at the picture given below and mark the solids with S, liquids with L and gases with G. So here some pictures are given to you. As you can see here, you have to write whether, and names are also written here, and then you have to write down whether these are these pictures are the solids, liquids or gas. Okay, so first one is, you can see here, milk. So milk is a liquid, so you have to write down L. Okay, second picture is of crayons. So you have crayons are solid, therefore you have to write S, solid. Okay, next one is water. Water is a liquid, so you have to write L here. Okay, coins are solid, so write down S. Then ice cube, also solid, so you have to write down S. Cloud, that is gas, so you have to write down G. Some tiny droplets of water is also there in the clouds, but clouds are a mixture of actually liquid and gas both, but we have to write here G, gas. Okay, rain, liquid, so write down L. Steam, you can see this one, this is known as steam, जो भाप होती है, ठीक है. So steam is a gas, so write down G. Hammer, hammer is a solid, so write down S. So you have to write down these letters in these boxes that are given here, as you can see here. So you have to write down like this. Now second exercise, look at the following pictures. Here the matter changes shape from one form to the other. Can you guess the change? So you have to tell the change according to these pictures. So you can see here, ice is melted to, you can see here, ice cream is there and it gets melted here. So when it is in the form of ice cream, जब वो ice cream के form में थी तब वो solid थी, लेकिन जब वो change होकर liquid form में आ गई, you can see here this ice cream is melted. So when it comes into a liquid form, when it changes, it forms liquid. So you have to write down solid here and here liquid. Okay, solid changes to liquid. Now second one, you can see here, water is there in a beaker, in a container. Water is kept over the flame. You can see here, आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है कि एक flame नीचे जली हुई है, लकड़ी जला रखी है और ऊपर एक कंटेनर में पानी रखा हुआ है. सो जब हम इसको गर्म करेंगे, इट विल फॉर्म वाटर वेपर, और ये वाटर वेपर की फॉर्म में, स्टीम की फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर, ठीक है. सो व्हेन इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर, इट इज़ अ liquid, and when it changes to steam, that is a gas. Okay, so changes from liquid to a gas. Okay, now here you can see here clouds are there. So clouds, you have to write down for clouds gas. Okay, as you can see here, gas is written here. Okay, then it changes to rain. Okay, here you can see, ठीक है, जब clouds हमारे rain में change हो रहे हैं, so the change is from gas to liquid. Okay, I hope that you understood this exercise. Now let's move to our next exercise that is given on page number 16 at the top. Here are some animals that have set a record on ways. Can you unscramble their names? So you can see here some unscrambled letters are given. You have to make the name of that particular animal according to the clues that are given in the question. So first one is fastest animal on the earth. So fastest animal on the earth is cheetah. You can see the unscrambled letters here, H, E, T, E, A, C, H. You can see here. So it will form cheetah. Okay, slowest moving land animal. Slowest moving land animal is sloth. SLOTH. Third one is largest living primate. Okay, so what it is? Gorilla. GORILLA. Question number 4. Smallest bird. That is hummingbird. Okay. Next one is heaviest snake. So anaconda. Okay. ANACONDA. Next one is largest living land bird. That is ostrich. OSTRICH. Tallest animal. That is giraffe. GIRAFFE. Okay. Eighth is smallest dog. That is Chihuahua. CHIHUAHUA. Okay. Now let's move to our next lesson. That is given on page number 17. First question is, this exercise is cook it up. Okay. So first question given here is, food is cooked in different ways. Look at the pictures below and name the cooking method used. Use the clue box for help. You can see here clue box is given here. Okay. So you have to fill the cooking method used to cook these food items. So first one is idlis. Idlis are steamed. Okay. So you have to write here steamed. Second one is milk is boiled. Okay. So you have to write here boiled. BOILED. Third one is eggs are. Okay. So fried. FRIED. You have to write here. Next one is cake. That is baked. BAKED. So blanks are given here in your book. You have to fill these methods. Fish is grilled. 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 So you have to fill this in your book. Now question number 2 is, look at these pictures related to the kitchen. Use a clue box to name them. So you can see here picture number 1 is pressure cooker. So you have to write it here, pressure cooker. Spelling you can see from here in your book. Here it is given. Otherwise you can simply write looking at here. Okay. I have written here. You can simply write from here. Second one, you can see in this picture forks, knife and spoons are given here. So that is known as cutlery. Okay. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Cutlery. So CUTLERY. Third is this, you can see pictures here. Plates and bowls are shown here. That is known as crockery. Together they are known as crockery. CROCKERY. In next picture you can see different shape of glasses are here. That is known as glassware. GLASS glass, WARE ware, glassware. Okay. Fifth one is spices. SPICES. Okay. Hindi में इनको बोलते हैं हम मसाले. Okay. So you have to write here spices. So our lesson number this lesson is also completed. What you have to do in homework, you have to learn these 3 lessons in your homework, and you have to do this lesson that is given on page number 16 in your GK notebook. Okay. In the same notebook in which you have done your revision test and previous lessons, the same notebook you have to do this also. Okay. Only this lesson you have to complete in your GK notebook. So this is all for today. Next lesson we will start in our next video. Thank you.